Meaning of frightened.
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 Frightened. Frightened is an adjective used to describe someone who was experiencing fear or anxiety due to a specific situation or event. It is often characterized by physical symptoms such as sweating, rapid heartbeat, and trembling. The feeling of being frightened can be triggered by various factors, including real or perceived danger, uncertainty, or unexpected events. When someone is frightened, they may feel a sense of helplessness or vulnerability. It is important to address the source of the fear in order to alleviate the symptoms and ensure the safety and well-being of the person experiencing it.